Aloha, my name is Andy. In this video I will show how to upgrade or replace the hard disk drive in the Toshiba Satellite L450D laptop. So let's begin. I'm Andy, and in this video I will show how to upgrade or replace the hard disk drive in the Toshiba Satellite L450D laptop. Step 1. I remove the battery from the laptop. Step 2. I remove the memory RAM plastic cover to verify if I have a free slot to upgrade the memory. Both slots are occupied, and here I have the hard disk. Step 3. I remove the two screws from the hard disk cover plastic. I slide to the left the hard disk caddy and remove from the laptop. Step 4. I remove the 4 screws from the hard disk caddy and remove the old hard disk drive. Step 5. I put in the caddy the 500 GB hard disk and remove the 4 screws. Step 6. I put back the caddy and slide it to the right and put back the hard disk plastic cover. Step 7. I flip over the laptop, plug the power cord and verify in the BIOS if it recognized the new hard disk drive. It recognized. Step 8. I power off the laptop, remove the power cord and flip it over. Step 9. I put back the RAM plastic cover and drive in the screw. Step 10. I drive in the 2 screws from the hard disk cover. Step 11. I put back the battery. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. See you next time.